How do you build a basic view to explore your data in Tableau? You have a blank slate, Tableau desktop is open. Let's start by clicking Connect to Data. If you want to use sample data, go down to Sample Superstore. Otherwise, navigate to your data type. Let's go over a few things that are on the screen. You have your data pane on your left. Here's your dimensions and measures, your columns that are in your data. In my example, we have dimensions like segment, region, customer name, ways to cut your data, and we have measures like sales, profit, and quantity. You also have your view. Everything in the middle of the screen is used to build charts and graphs. And of course, you have a menu. Let's start by dragging sales onto text. Anything you put in the marks cards, the columns or rows, is used to build visuals. If I put a measure on text, you get just the sum of the measure. Let's add a dimension, like region, to rows, and you'll see that the data has been cut by region. So now for each region, we have the sum of sales on the text. In order to make this into a bar chart, I can move sales up to the columns and sort it highest to lowest. As you learn Tableau, try moving things from one place to another and see what happens. If I move sales to color, now I have a colored version of the text chart. I can use the same field, sales, again on columns, and I have the bars colored by sales now. Or I can move region onto color, and each region is colored. As you learn, also utilize Show Me. I can change this view by clicking one of these options in the Show Me. If I wanted this to be a map instead of a bar chart, I can click Map. And now it's a map, or a pie chart. And you have a pie chart by region and sales. All Tableau is doing is moving pills from one area to another. The bar chart was columns and rows, and now region and sales are on size and color. Hope this helps.